So let's make sure you can see everything, and I'm going to share my screen with you. So get ready for a bit of that. You should be able now to see my screen. There we go. Please read all of that information as well, won't you? Because that's critically important as well, that you do indeed read all of that. So having taken care of those things, let's get into this. Now, for one of the things, as well as the stocks that I like at the moment, are we overbought? Some strategies for handling those gains that people have got. One of the things that I'm keen to do at the same time is make sure that I also go through individual stocks. Now, the problem with going through individual stocks for most people is that what they don't realize is that you should actually think of them within a portfolio. When you look at individual stocks, which is great if you're making, some kind of newsletter which is trying to sell its services and get everybody all excited about how they got one thing right. The problem with that is when you don't look at it as a portfolio where one stock's rises might cancel out another one's volatile falls, but both are going up overall, you can often lead to panicking out of good companies and holding on to bad ones. So we want to look at this as portfolios as a whole, not just individual stocks, though I know everybody's always addicted to individual stocks. I get that. So we will cover all of this side of things as well. We're going to cover all the bits to do with pensions and retirements, and I'm going to answer all those questions. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to cover what's going on in the markets. Okay, so in terms of what's going on in the market, what I want to do is go through some of the biggest headlines at the moment. And obviously we've picked a good time. So the best way to do this, and the things I'm going to cover, is look, if oil stays at below $80, we don't have a problem with stocks. I can deal with oil really clearly, really quickly. Okay, oil is not an issue at the moment. In terms of difficulties. If we go through some of the other stuff, the Fed reduced interest rates. The real issue is, are they going to do it again in December? Okay. Now, they're keeping everybody all very excited. And because they're keeping everybody all very excited, the good news is that the market will